we got a problem. The camp is sinking. I've torn into it. It's Thursday and we got a party on Sunday. Cut out all this rotten wood. It's making room for the new footings and beams. Yeah, so I'm hoping this afternoon my buddies from Cabin Masters, Maine will show up and give us a hand, help me finish this project.
What would you really rather do?
No comment. So I've cut out the rotten, or a major portion of the rotten beams, and put in some hemlock. Braced it up, attached it, reblocked it. So hopefully it'll last another 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years.